Welcome back to another episode of Shut Up and Do It Yourself. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove an O2 sensor. This is obviously for a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and as you can see, it's got some rust. That rust is everywhere, especially on the O2 sensor. And I figured out how to get it out with the least amount of effort, and I'm about to show you how to do that. So let me just crawl under here. And I'll let you know I already got it loose, but this is how you do it. So I have this O2 sensor socket. It's a special socket because, as you're about to see, it's got a little slot so you can slide it over the wiring. So as you can see, I got it loose. That is a miracle because I've been playing with this thing for a while. But really, all you have to do to get any O2 sensor loose is you just bring in your old friend Mr. Yellow. This is Map Gas, and you let Mr. Map Gas give this old O2 sensor some kisses. Let him give it lots of kisses. You're going to get this thing red hot. If I can get this stupid thing off. Yeah, it's all twisted up. So I just want to show you. So as you can see, I'm like right next to the transmission. All I did was let me get this wire out of the way. I don't want to catch that shit on fire. Came in here. I got the old Map Gas, Mr. Yellow, and I left it on here until this whole thing, the bung that the O2 sensor screws into and the O2 sensor were red hot. The whole thing was red hot. I left it on here for probably like 5-10 minutes. And then don't be afraid to get it real hot. Like as hot as you think it can get it that hot. And then, only then, do you try to work this socket. And so you want to be careful because I've already burnt myself like 2 or 3 times doing this. But I wish I had just gotten it hotter. Like I was afraid to get it too hot, but you want this thing red hot. You want it to be almost molten. And just be careful not to like have anything flammable around you. I mean, I got a leaky transmission and all kinds of stuff around me, but just try to get it as hot as you can, as carefully as you can, and this thing will come right loose. I was also, I also, like, you can't really see, but I'm under here and it's not lifted up too much. I got it as hot as I could. I got this socket on there, and then I got this below me so I have the most leverage. So I got my whole upper body pushing against it, and only then did it come loose. I've been trying to mess with this thing, just like putting pressure on it and hitting it with this mallet. That didn't do it. What you got to do, get it red hot, and then get some leverage. Try to find a position under the car where you can get as much of your body behind the wrench as possible, and only then do you push. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, obviously. But I'm celebrating right now. I've been messing with this thing for probably like an hour. I wish I had known. All I had to do was get it hotter, and then I could have had this done in probably 10 minutes. But there you go. That's how you remove any O2 sensor. Just be very careful not to light anything on fire or have the car fall on you. You want to be very careful to put jack stands and have everything supported properly. And shut up and do it yourself.